Welcome to Money Talk with Alex. I discovered this site where you could make $300 a day easily. Anyone can participate and no requirement. Okay, it says make money online with your mobile phone, earn $300 a day easily. Anyone can participate, no requirement. You can see payments popping up. Yes, how to begin. Number 1, join for money H4DF and earn $25 sign-up bonus as soon as you join. It is easy to join and we don't share your info. Number 2 way is to make money by watching video, playing games, testing apps and more. Number 3 way of getting paid is get your money when and how you want them. We can pay by mail, by check, PayPal, Cash App, Bitcoin and other mainstream payments. Okay, so but wait, there is more. It has over 250,000 plus active users. Then millions have been paid out till date. Then about 1,682 verified sponsored ads. So see, it says our users are cashing out and getting paid every day, and by watching video, testing app and playing games from your phone. So you can see that it's cool. These are the recommendation review people got from the site. Okay, so what you can see, so it has a lot of review, people talking about this site. So this is all you need to know: where they are located, how it works, how you get paid, and a whole lot. This is it. Just come down to see. So if you want to get started with it, just click on sign up. Okay, click on sign up and you get started. So for me, I have done my registration before, so let me just quickly log on to this site. Lest I forget, the name of the site is money-h4df.beauty. Okay, this is my dashboard. When I signed up, I got $27. That is $11,283. My total earning is $27. My referral is $2. So I can't cash out now. When you click on it, you will just read it until you make up to $200 before you can cash out. This is my referral link. So anybody that I refer will share this link, will get $2 for every person who clicks on it, and additional $10 when the person sign up. So when they even click on it, you make money. When the person sign up, you get $10. So you are making $12. Okay, so you can share it on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, Telegram and other channels. See ways to earn. There are 3 possible ways to earn. Number 1 is watch video, earn $20, refer friend and earn $100 plus, play games or download apps, you gain $50. Okay, this is it. Start making money by games or download. Start making money by playing games or download app. So just come to this place. This is your dashboard. And through invite, and through video, offer center, cash out, your app setting. So let me just click on this. Let me click on account setting. This account setting will quickly take us to, this is it. So if you want to set your account, so set your payment method. I will quickly click it for you to see. Select method. These are the method: OPay, Verve, PayPal, Cash App, Bitcoin, bank card, phone, Western Union, Zelle, Venmo. This is how you get paid. So you just add your payment method, the way you want to receive your money. So change your password and every other thing. Yeah. So click on this place. Offer center, cash out. Click on cash out. Click on cash out. It will tell you what you need to know. It said to prevent cheating and spam, you must meet the following requirement for your first cash out. Balance, I need 14% to, guys, the minimum amount for the first withdrawal is $200. There's no amount limit for subsequent withdrawal. So for the first withdrawal, I will definitely make $200. So then for the subsequent, I can withdraw anything lesser than $200, but my first withdrawal should be $200. Okay, so this is it. My balance $27. Payment method, I've not chosen any payment method. I've not even cash out. My withdrawal is free. No withdrawal is free yet. So you do well to just come to this place to earn money. So you make money through invitation, watching a video, and then downloading or playing game. This is how to make money on this side. Let me click on this place. Okay, it's still the same thing. Account setting, cash out, and support. So you can see the support here. So in case you are faced with any challenges, you can reach the customer care here. So don't forget, I said the name of the website is www.money-h4df.beauty. That is the name of the website. So when you sign up, you get $27. That's roughly 11,000 plus. So you do well to register on this site and do well to invite friends. Don't forget to like my videos, make comments so that I can be encouraged to make more videos for you. Okay, and let me know what you think about this video. All right, please, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.